How to use Accommodate to request an appointment in the testing center. Log in to your Student Accommodate portal. On the left side of the screen, select the Testing Room tab. On the following page, under Pending Booking Requests, click the yellow New Booking Requests button. Fill in the fields to select which course, date, time, and so on you will need to take your exam. For the building field, select Disability Service and University Testing Centers from the drop-down menu. Once the fields are complete, select the yellow Check Availability button at the bottom of the page. This button will populate the right panel of the screen with a list of dates and times that the testing center is available. To reserve a time, select the underlined test corresponding to that appointment. Remember, pick the same time that your class meets, unless you have permission from your instructor for an alternative date and time. This will open a small pop-up window where you will need to confirm your exam booking. Fill in the empty form fields to the best of your knowledge, leaving any unknown fields blank. When you're finished, scroll to the bottom of the page and review the testing center policies available via a link beneath the Notes field. Check off the box next to I agree and click on the Submit Request button. You will receive an email reminder of your exam date and time. If you have any questions, please contact us at Disability Services. The phone number is 719-255-3354 or email dservice@uccs.edu or visit us at Main Hall, room 105. We are open from 8 to 5 Monday through Friday. Thank you for listening.